Who doesn't love lamingtons? A real Australian icon. To make them special, you have to do it my way. I'm gonna show you a few tricks how to take the normal lamington to the next level. First step is to make a really nice base, the cake. Normally, traditional lamington is always a sponge, but I prefer to do a butter cake. It's got a little bit more personality. First, the cell-raising flour. Second, normal flour. We use a combination of both of them. Third, custard sugar. We put all the dries before the wets. Milk is gonna get that beautiful butter really nice and loose. And it's a butter cake, so you need lots of butter. Don't be shy. I'm gonna put this down and start the party a little bit. Now 1 egg at a time, so we don't saturate the mix. Normally you put vanilla essence. For me, prefer to get one of these fresh vanilla beans. So you're gonna use the temperature on your fingers, so the more you squeeze, the softer it gets in the middle. And the easiest is to scrape away all the beautiful bits of flavor. Okay, all the way through the middle, voila. Now, open it, using the back of the knife, you're gonna quick squeeze. Look at that, we go straight to the butter mix. Just let the magic happen. Now, we need 2 trays, and just drop it. So you have to make sure we put the same amount of butter in both trays. And now with the back of the spatula, we're gonna give a lovely, beautiful spread, so it looks like this, and fill it up every single little bit of the tray. Now a little bang, just to put everything in the right spot. You put them inside the oven, and that's when your house smells amazing. Here we go. We allow them to cool down slightly. And I'm gonna use hazelnut spread in the middle to give that extra chocolatiness. So we're gonna make sure we cover every single little bit until the edges. We're gonna put this half on top of this half, and you're gonna have that lovely, good size. There you go. We're gonna put it in the freezer, and by the time we finish with the icing, we get this out of the freezer, we're ready for lamingtons. This is a very simple process. What's gonna happen, the 100 degrees of the steaming water is gonna slowly start to melt away all the beautiful chocolate. Mixy, mixy, take your time. It's melting away already. The milk is for the body, and the cream is for the richness. Where you can change the tool and get into a whisk. And now, to make it really, really shiny, I'm gonna use coconut oil. Stop, hammer time, straight into the bowl. We're gonna add the icing sugar, a little bit at a time. Okay, so out of the freezer, it's nice and firm. So we're gonna transfer it to the board. Now is the slicing. Measure twice, cut once, okay? So don't stress too much if it don't look absolutely perfect. Ladies and gentlemen, how good that looks. You're gonna fork it really nicely. Make sure you get both the sponges. Just drop it. Look at this. Just wait for it. And when it's not that much dribble coming out, that is totally coated. Come to the coconut, and yes, 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 yes. That is a good looking lamington. And that's what I'm talking about, a real lamington, the flavor of Australia. For recipes like this and plenty more, check stockland.com.au/Miguel, the place to be.